Hello, my name is Jesus Gael. I live in the Mexico City area with my family. In my free time, I love playing soccer. I'm actually a professional player, and I play as a central defender. This sport has taught me discipline and teamwork. I am currently studying industrial engineering at the Millennium University. I have worked on projects related to energy efficiency and sustainability, such as analyzing energy consumption for large companies. My professional goals is to optimize industrial processes to make them more sustainable. That is why I very interested in this master's program. It focuses on advanced manufacturing and green energy. As a student, I am very organized and analytical. I like to do things with precision, whether I'm coding in Python for a project or analyzing data. I am a fast learner, and I always look for creative solutions to technical problems. I believe that industrial engineering is the key to solving global climate challenges. I am the best option for this scholarship because I combine the discipline of a professional athlete with the technical skills of an engineering. I am ready to work hard and contribute to this university. Thanks for your time.